Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
Gattu's new sport shoes. Mummy and Chinky were watching TV together. Gattu and Papa had gone to buy a pair of sports shoes for Gattu.
Mummy, they have been gone for so long. When will Gattu come? I'm excited to see his new shoes. They will be on their way, Chinky. Wait for few more minutes.
Gattu and Papa returned home.
Gattu, you're back. Do you know how long I was waiting for you? Chinky, look at this. Mummy, see my new shoes? Chinky, do you know? These shoes are very special. They change color in sunlight. Oh wow, Gattu, they are really unique.
Gattu finally selected these shoes after going through many shops in the market for 2 hours.
That is why he was able to find such special shoes. Okay, Gattu, now keep them carefully. Otherwise, they will get dirty. No way, Mummy. I won't let them get dirty at all. I will keep them carefully and clean them every day. Very good.
Then Gattu kept his shoes on the top shelf of the shoe rack and also covered them properly with paper.
See, Mummy, now my shoes won't get dirty at all.
Everyone started laughing at Gattu's words. After that, Gattu went to sleep. But Chinky wanted to go to play.
Mummy, where are my shoes? I want to go to play. Oh, Chinky, I have washed your shoes today itself. Why don't you wear Gattu's shoes and go to play? Okay, Mummy, but Gattu won't have any problem, right? Of course not, Chinky. You are siblings. You have to share all your things amongst yourselves. You can go.
Then Chinky went to play. And after some time, Gattu woke up. He started looking for his shoes as soon as he woke up.
Mummy, where are my shoes? I wanted to show them to all my friends. Oh, Chinky wore your shoes and went out. She will come back very soon, Gattu. But why, Mummy? Gattu, don't talk like that. You should share your things with your sister.
That's when Chinky returned.
Chinky, give me my shoes back. I want to show them to my friends. Sure, Gattu, take it. Oh no, what is this? What happened, Gattu? Did the shoes get dirty? They are not dirty, Mummy. They are torn. Chinky has ruined my shoes. There is a hole in this shoe. Oh no, how did it happen, Chinky? Mummy, I might have accidentally ruined it while playing. Sorry, Gattu. Sorry, Mummy.
Chinky apologized to Gattu, but he was very angry. Gattu went to his room crying.
Gattu, wait. Where are you going? You shouldn't react like this. Mummy, Gattu is very angry with me. I don't like it when he is so upset with me.
Mummy saw that Chinky was also on the verge of crying, so she consoled her.
Don't worry, Chinky. This can be repaired. I will talk to Gattu about this. You should go and complete your homework.
Chinky went away sadly and started doing her homework. After some time, Papa came home and Chinky told him everything that happened.
Papa, I'm feeling very bad. Can't we do anything to make Gattu's shoes good again? Are they completely ruined now?
Of course not, Chinky. It's not the case. Come, let's go and get his shoes fixed right now. Hearing this, Chinky was very happy and she quickly got ready to go with Papa to fix the shoes.
Let's go, Papa. Gattu is very upset since he saw them. I want him to be happy again and talk to me. He doesn't look good when he stays quiet.
Then, Chinky and Papa took Gattu's shoes to the cobbler. At home, Mummy went to Gattu's room and tried to convince him.
Gattu, how long are you going to stay angry? Come on, get up and eat something. I have made sandwiches. No, Mummy, I don't want to eat anything. Why did Chinky wear them? I have not worn those shoes even once and she ruined them already.
Saying this, Gattu started crying and Mummy tried to calm him down.
Please don't cry, Gattu. Papa and Chinky have gone to fix your shoes. No, Mummy, my shoes won't be as good as new. I know that.
Mummy was trying to console him when Papa and Chinky also entered the room. Stop crying, Gattu. See, we have got your shoes fixed. They are fine now.
What? Really?
Yes, look at this. Gattu saw his shoes and was very happy that they were good.
Wow, these are looking even better than earlier, Papa.
Yes, Gattu. We asked the cobbler to get G letter embroidered where there was a hole. Now your shoes also have your initials on them.
Wow, it's true. They even look better than before. Gattu, are you happy now? Yes, Mummy. Now I am not upset at all. So, Gattu, did you forgive me for this? Of course, Tinky. I forgive you for this.
Then Gattu wore his new shoes.
Mummy, can I go and show these shoes to my friends? Sure, Gattu. You can go. But first, eat something. No, Mummy. I want to show this to my friends first. I can't wait any longer. This G looks so cool on my shoes. Okay, fine, Gattu. But come home soon. Gattu, I will also come with you.
This way, Gattu went to show his new sports shoes to his friends. Everyone liked Gattu's shoes very much, and especially the letter G on his shoes.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.